Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss the essential safety precautions you should take while traveling. Whether you're embarking on a solo adventure or traveling with friends and family, it's crucial to prioritize your safety. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, always research your destination before you go. Familiarize yourself with local laws, customs, and any potential safety concerns. Knowledge is power, and being well-informed can help you make smarter decisions and avoid unnecessary risks. Next, make sure to secure your belongings. Use a reliable lock for your suitcases and backpacks, and keep your valuables close to you at all times. Also, consider using a money belt to protect your passport, credit cards, and cash. Additionally, don't forget to stay connected. Share your travel itinerary with a trusted friend or family member and check in regularly. Remember to store important numbers, such as the local embassy or emergency services, in your phone. While exploring your destination, remain vigilant in crowded areas. Keep an eye on your belongings, particularly in busy public transportation and tourist hotspots. Avoid displaying expensive jewelry or electronics, as it may attract unwanted attention. When it comes to transportation, opt for licensed and reputable providers. Ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened in cars, and if you're riding a motorcycle or scooter, always wear a helmet. Safety should always be a priority, no matter how convenient or affordable an alternative may seem. Lastly, trust your instincts. If something feels off or uncomfortable, remove yourself from the situation. Remember, it's better to be overly cautious than to put yourself in harm's way. We hope you found these safety precautions helpful for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Stay safe and happy travels.